Hi, and welcome to PC Foundry. Today I'm going to answer the most commonly asked question here at PC Foundry. Why is custom built better than pre-built? First of all, what is pre-built and what is custom built? Pre-built is generally a mass production computer made by a big manufacturer that you're probably familiar with. You hear their ads on the radio and you see their TV commercials. These mega corporations pump out thousands of the same spec system on a production line and send them to stores all over the world to be sold to the masses, as is. Meaning, what they have in them when they leave the production line is what you get once you purchase it. Now then, what is custom built? Custom built is nothing to be afraid of. It's not a situation that is going to empty your wallet. Custom built is actually in your favor. So what is it? Custom built computers are built to your exact needs. If you say you work in an office and you send emails all day and use web-based interface to send invoices, then you don't need a computer with a powerful CPU and loads of RAM. But you might need a high-capacity hard drive to store all your data and files. A custom-built computer allows us to ask you what you need, then we can write up a quote with the hardware that you require. This way, you leave all the technical jargon to us. There's no headache of trying to deal with a pushy salesman trying to clear old stock. And you know that the system you are getting is exactly what you set out to get. Imagine you go to your local retailer and you wanted a machine with a 2 terabyte hard drive. You get there and you find out that the only system that they have with a 2 terabyte hard drive is a gaming system with a powerful CPU and a powerful graphics card. You don't need either of these things, but if you want the 2 terabyte hard drive, you have to get that system. Now imagine you contact us and you say you want a 2 terabyte hard drive but you don't want an overly powerful system. We send you back a quote with a 2 terabyte hard drive, a dual core CPU and only 4 gig of RAM, not 16. It's cheaper and you get exactly what you needed. Now, for the other benefits of a custom built computer. With most pre-built systems they have a 1-year warranty, which doesn't say much for how long they expect the system to last. With our custom-built systems, you get 2 years as a standard labor warranty, plus each part that goes in has an individual manufacturer's warranty. Some parts up to 10 years. So this means that in 4 years, if your power supply decides to stop working and it has a 5-year warranty, you can call us up and we can organise a replacement part from the manufacturer under your warranty. Then you only have to pay for the labour to get it installed, rather than having to pay for parts and labour. Another benefit is the quality of the parts used. Most pre-built systems are full of OEM parts, which stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer. So basically, for the most part, they use parts designed specifically for that system, and if it needs replacing after the warranty period, then let the gods be on your side, because you'll need a miracle to get the replacement parts from the manufacturer. With custom systems, we use universal parts, meaning that even if we can't get the exact motherboard again, we can replace it with a newer model or something of the same quality / spec. Which brings me to my next point, upgradability. On pre-built systems, usually they only put in the bare minimum in. So if the system only needs 2 SATA power cables to power 1 CD drive and 1 hard drive, then they are the only SATA power cables in the system. This means you cannot add another hard drive or a second CD drive even if you need to do so further down the track. With custom built, we always leave room for upgrading your CPU, RAM, hard drives, and for things like sound cards, graphics cards, and anything else you might want to add. Now, what about warranty returns? With pre-built, you likely bought it from a big box retailer, where the salesmen have a slight understanding of computers. They have enough jargon to get you to the counter with something you didn't need. So what happens when you take a system back to them that has a problem? Well, they ask to see the problem. Then once confirmed there is a problem, they will ask for you to leave it with them at the store. It will then get shipped back to the manufacturer. It will get scheduled for repair within maybe 2 weeks, then shipped back to the store, then you can come pick it up. With custom built, we actually built the system, so chances are we may be able to fix the problem while you wait. If it is a hardware failure, it may take a day or 2 for a new part to arrive. Then we can fix it the same day, the part arrives, and you can come pick up the system. If you're having a software problem or need help, we may even be able to take control of your computer remotely over the internet and be able to fix the problem without the PC even leaving your house. Now, the next problem you will never be told with pre-built systems: OEM copies of Windows. These copies of Windows are full of bloatware, or in short, programs you don't need. They run in the background and use your computer's resources, and they also take up hard drive space. The other downside to OEM copies of Windows is they are serial tied to your motherboard and the components in the system. So if you change something in the system, then your copy of Windows becomes invalid, and you have to purchase a new key, which can be over $150 for the home version. With a custom-built system, you can do a clean install of Windows with no bloatware at all. You can also change anything in the system without the license deactivating on you. You can also transfer this copy of Windows to another system further down the track if you happen to buy a new upgraded computer. So, as you can see, there are many advantages to buying a custom-built system over a pre-built. We do understand the urge for instant gratification when buying something new and exciting. So before you buy your next system, ask for a quote for a custom-built system and see what we can do for you and your exact needs. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Until next time, see you later.